Let's hear about your fishing day.
Well, I was going to see a fish that my dad was going to catch.
How big?
That big.
Can you see the other hand again? There to there. Okay.
And, well, Logan lost his rod.
A true log?
Yeah, it's true because I was trying to untangle it and accidentally let go and it sunk. But Ken didn't want to fish anymore, so I just used his rod. But then it broke, so I had to use the princess rod.
Whose rods is the princess's?
Addie's.
That one's?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. And
She didn't even get a tug.
she didn't even get a tug. Well, that'll happen. And it's a little warm out here. Most of these guys are just wearing life jackets. But I think we had a pretty good day. So.
Yep.
There's Uncle Toby getting us out of trouble here. Or causing more trouble. One of the two. What do you guys need to say to Uncle Toby?
Thank you.
Good trip. Dug it.